Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we're going to try to help you make your decision if it's going to stay a want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it because what ends up happening, it's called the notification bell, is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox a picture of what the video is and the title. And if you press on the picture, what ends up happening is it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. I use it, I enjoy it, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. All right, today is a day I received unexpectedly. I did get tracking information on this, but it was supposed to come in 5 days from now. And we got home and this box was waiting outside our door. So I did see a couple of people already unbox this. This is the Boxycharm Premium, which is the first time that they did, not Premier, excuse me, it's the Premium, that they did this month, which they called the Takeover box. And what that meant was the entire box was going to be one brand, and I think all of us are getting the same items. The only difference is that we are going to possibly get some different colors in, I guess, the lip product and possibly the eyeshadow. But this is really, they really went all out on this. This is what the box looks inside. It has this other little shelf with this beautiful FENTY. FENTY is a brand that's done by Rihanna, and it's been on the market. I know for the longest time it was exclusive at Sephora, but very excited to be able to play a little bit. This was one brand that I never went out and bought for myself. So there are a couple of items that I did buy when it came in a little kit. I think it wasn't last Christmas, I think it was the Christmas before. I did bring out one of the items here. It was the sample size of the glass bomb as well as a highlighter. And I have enjoyed the highlighter and I have enjoyed the glass bomb. So I don't know why I just never indulged in it. Sephora is a little bit a distance from where I live, so it's something that if I'm in a mall and there's a Sephora there, I do go into it, but I don't go out of my way to shop at Sephora. So with all the new changes though that Sephora is doing with some of their point structures and stuff, I might dive back in, but we'll see what that's all about. So if you've watched anyone else's channel and they have already opened this box, you're going to be familiar with some of this. So I'm going to try to go through this a little bit quicker than I normally would, because I just think that it's going to be repetition based on what everyone else has already gotten. So once again, this is the card that we received. I don't think there is any variation number on here, so I'm assuming that everything is going to be the same except for, like I said, a couple of the colors. So the first item that is on the card, it's called Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter. And if you see me looking down, I'm just reading off the card. It's saying it's a light up where you want, when you want, with this weightless, long wearing cream to powder hybrid highlighter in the shade Trophy White. And that's what this item is here. Everything came beautifully packaged in the full retail boxes. The name is on the actual packaging. This is what this item is here. I'm not going to be swatching a lot of this because I really am not sure what I'm going to be doing with some of these items. It has a plastic shield, and that's the gold highlighter. The highlighter that I got in the other kit is more my speed. It was called Hustler Baby. It's more of a rose tint to it, and that's the one here, and as you can see, it is loved. So I have been enjoying, like I said, her products, but these colors that were chosen for the box are a little bit out of my comfort zone. So right now I'm choosing not to swatch, and then we'll see where it takes it from there. The next item that we got is called Matchstick. It's a Shimmer Skin Stick. It's saying it is a magnetized makeup stick in a long wearing light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. It's a long wearing cream to powder highlighter stick. It's weightless, blendable, and lives lives to be layered. And the shades are saying may vary. Just so you know, this whole box is $35 and it includes the shipping. This item on its own is a $36 retail price. So the Matchstick is the one that I think was one of the products that came out really at the beginning, that if you end up with more of these, they all magnetize and attach together. That's what I think this product is. This color I'm happy with. It's at least one that if I'm gonna use it, it is the one that I would use. I know a lot of the colors are a little bit out there for me, and this one is in the color Rum. So that's what that looks like here. I am not a lover of cream highlighters, but like I said, now that I have it, I'm probably going to end up playing with it. So, and once again, everything came in the retail packaging. The next item, which is the one I'm going to leave for the last, because we'll see if we're going to swatch or not, that is the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette. It is absolutely stunning. It comes in this gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. The names of the colors are behind. It has a full, beautiful mirror in it. It is a hard plastic, and I'm just going to put this like this so you guys can see what the color names are based on what the colors are there. So that's everything here. And then that's what I'm really most excited to play with, because everyone, you know, with eyeshadows, as long as there's enough colors that you can play, that's what I like about getting these eyeshadow palettes. And this one is called the Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette, and it is a $29 value. It says it's called Moroccan Spice. It has 16 rich pigmented shades, served up a dash of matte, satin, pearl, metallic, shimmer finishes. The next item is a glass balm that also came in a retail package. This is the product that I ended up buying in this other shade that was her shade for the longest time, and it is absolutely stunning. This one here is just a sheer, really it's called, I think, Diamond, let me see what it says here. Yeah, it's called Diamond Pink, and this to me is nice that you can always put this over a lipstick. This is what I like about these. They're called the Universal Lip Luminizer. It's the ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with an explosive shine that feels as good as it looks. It's in the shade Diamond Milk. It's a dewy highlighter for your lips, and it's the Fenty Beauty Lip Glass Balm and the essential finishing touch to your Fenty face, and this is an $18 value. Then the next item that they gave us in this kit is the Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. It's saying that all moods, all skin tones, all day. It's a pocket perfect lipstick and a long wearing petal soft matte finish, available in a rainbow of weightless color intense shades, and each is designed to flatter all skin tones, including shades may vary. And I got a very dark color. Also came in the retail packaging. This is how beautiful the packaging is here. Very impressed with this when they say the slim compact. Her packaging is beyond stunning. And then this is what the product looks like here, and that's the color that I got in my box, and this color is called PMS. All right, the last item that's in here is called Invisimatte. Also came in a full retail package. It is the blotting papers that comes with a little small container, and then the papers here that you can put in, and then you can carry this in your purse. One side has a little mirror, and you tear it off as you need to blot. And that's the whole box that we received. So I'm happy that they did a takeover box. I think that is a great concept. Fenty was always a brand that I thought was beautiful, but it was always, the colors seemed for me very extreme, and the colors that I received, like I said, some of them are ones that I'll dabble a little bit, and some of them I'm probably not going to touch. So there's probably going to be a future giveaway in reference to this box. So make sure that you are following me on this channel, as well as on my Instagram, which is TrueWants with the number 2. I would love to know in the comments down below if you've received the exact same colors in yours, or if you received a color, especially in the lip product, because this was what I was really looking forward to trying, in a color that is more suitable for, you know, the nudes or pinks or even reds, but these dark plums for me are a little bit way out of my comfort zone. So hopefully it's something in the future we'll be able to pass along. But like I said, I am very, very excited about trying this eyeshadow palette. I think the colors are absolutely stunning, and to me that's a win. So this eyeshadow palette alone is around $30, so the fact that the box is $35, it's an absolute win. So like I said, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel here, as well as Instagram True Wants 2. So when we do a giveaway, be it this or something else that we've received duplicates of, or products that are ones that I'm not going to use, I want to make sure that you guys are already set up so you can sit back, relax, enjoy the videos, and when those giveaways come up, you simply leave a comment down below and then you guys are entered. All right? Once again, thank you for finding my channel. Thank you for sharing my channel. But most importantly, thank you so much for spending time with me on my channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.